Before diving into how to create a product variant manually, let's start by looking at an example of product variation. Running shoes, for instance. A variation simply means different aspects of the same shoe, like its color or size. Let's take a look at these running shoes. We can see here that they are linked to other products. On the right, we can find the label Grandparents. Let's click on this product. From the product page, we can see a hierarchy, the main shoe, the grandparent, which is connected to 3 parent variations and 9 child variations. The parent variations represent colors, with 3 child variations each representing different sizes of the same product. This concept is really helpful because of data inheritance. Data inheritance helps keep everything consistent among product variations. For example, when you add information at the parent level, it automatically spreads down to all the child variations. This means you don't have to manually update the same data for every single product. In our example, you see that the images for the child variations come from their parent. This also works for product specifications. When we check out the specs for a child's shoe, you'll notice that they inherit specification groups from both the grandparent and the parent. The child spec group specifically mentions the size, which in this case is the only thing that changes at the child level. Let's now see how we can manually create a new variant tree using the example of a t-shirt. From your dashboard, navigate to the product catalog on the left sidebar and click on Manage Products. To begin adding a new variant, select Add New and then choose the variant product type. For this example, we'll name our product T-shirt. Don't forget to add the external key that's associated with this product. It's important to remember that the first product you create in this process will at first be showcased as a parent in our variant structure. Now, when you click on Add, you can add a sub-level variant. In our example, this will be the T-shirt in the color black. Assign the relevant external key to this variant. With this step, we have established a parent's and a child product. To expand the variant tree further, click on Add. This will introduce another level to our variant tree. This new layer could represent a different size of the T-shirt. To have a complete overview of your product variant tree, go back to your catalog. Here, you have an overview of your recently created products. By clicking on the child, which will be your actual product, you'll see the full variant tree for your T-shirt. This tree will show how the grandparent, our initial T-shirt product, is connected to a parent, the color variant, and in turn, to a child, the size variant.